Welcome back to the channel. My name is João. So as I said, okay, so we are going to learn how we can create a AI agent by using Python from scratch. Okay, so this is our first AI agent that we are going to create. Okay, here. So in order to create our AI agents, okay, as I said, okay, you need to first set up your environment. Okay, choose your test editor and create a virtual environment. Install the needed libraries. Okay, so here we are going to use first, okay, OpenAI API, okay, and after that you need to grab your secret key, your API key, okay, which is something very important, which will help you to access, okay, those stuff from OpenAI. And after this, now we are going to create our first simple AI agent. Okay, so as I said, we start from the scratch, then we keep adding more complexity, and then in the end we start using models also, and it will keep going on, growing. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do will be something like that. Okay, see, in order to create our first agent, we are going to do something like that. Okay, we import OpenAI, we have our API key, then we have to do something like that. Okay, let's do something like that. Response, okay, we'll get one variable called response will be equal OpenAI this way. Okay, OpenAI dot chat dot completion, okay, completions dot create, okay, dot create will be open and close. Boom, I'm going to do like this. Okay, here we have to choose the model that we want to use. Okay, so it's very important for us to choose a model, okay, because the model is the one that is going to help us, okay, which features of OpenAI we are able to use. Okay, since I am in a free version, okay, so I can use only this guy, okay, GPT mini, GPT-4 mini, okay, because those three, I think they are not good at all. They doesn't support anymore. I think they're not good. So I can use all this guy, this one, okay, GPT-4 mini. I can use it. Boom. And after that, okay, I need to give a message, like okay, let's say message. So this message will be equal open and close. So right now I can use only GPT-4 mini, okay, because it's a free version. Other version, most of them I need to pay, but since my account is not a paid account, so that's why I can use only this one. So for message, okay, message is where they are going to define, okay, what is our what is the content, okay, that we want to search for, something like that. Okay, so here inside of the message we need to have something like a role. Okay, we need to define the role of our agent. Okay, so also the of the model. Okay, so first thing, okay, this role will be for user. Okay, so this is where the user will keep giving the question, something like that. Okay, role, comma, then after role we need to give like a content. Okay, so role usually is more for role user is for the user, okay, because user is the one is going to give the question to the agent. Okay, then agent will do something, okay, in the end. So let's see something like role user. Okay, content, so what will be the content? So content, sorry, everything must be inside of this, okay, string. Okay, then we are going to have a content. Okay, so what will be the content? So content is the question that we need, the thing that we need to know. So we can say something like that. Okay, who invented okay, so who invented the light, okay, who invented the light bulb, something like that. Okay, who invented the light bulb, and interrogation. So this is the model that we are going to use for our agent, and this is the message that our agent need to do. Okay, so this is just a basic thing, okay, of creating AI agents. Okay, so after that we need to see the answer. Okay, print response, okay, response dot choices, okay, plural, then 0 is where our answer will be, dot message. Okay, dot message dot inside of the message we want the content, something like this. Okay, boom. Then now let's run this to see what will be the output. Is processing. So as you can see, okay, we got our answer. Okay, so the invention of the light bulb cannot be attributed to a single person, blah blah. It keeps going, okay, as it blah blah result works several blah 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 blah. Okay, now we got our answer the way that we want. Okay, so this is how we can create our agents, okay, by using Python from scratch. And OpenAI. Okay, so this is just the basic structure. Okay, so but when you create agents, okay, we want a agent that is kind of interactive. Okay, we don't want like we ask for something then it will finish, you just give the answer then it will close. No, we want something like it close itself only when we ask to close. Okay, so for that let's do something like that. Okay, let's put this thing, okay, inside of a for loop, okay, so that we can add interactivity into our chatbot. So for that let's do something like this. Okay, I'm going to come down, okay, and let's add interactivity to our chatbot. So to add interactivity we have to do something like this. Okay, so we have to come a little down, we have to give a history, okay, history, so that this chatbot can save, okay, the question that we are going to keep asking to him. Okay, so for that let's do something like this. Okay, history, okay, history will be equal empty, okay, because history will be like a small memory, okay, that's so that you can use it to remember some stuffs. Okay, so history, so after history we have to do something like this. Okay, while okay, while true, because we want it to be interactive. Okay, so I keep executing, okay, till we will say no, finish, or close, something like this. Okay, while true we have to have something like that. Okay, question, okay, the question will be equal input, open and close, to this. Okay, and next will be something like this. Okay, sorry, open and close must be a string. Okay, and /n because we want it to go to the next line. Then let's say, okay, user, okay, user. So this will be the user, where the user will give the question. So after question we have to do something like this. Okay, if question, okay, we have to check if the question what is the question. Okay, if we want, for example, to close the chat, okay, we have to do something like that. If question dot lower, okay, if question dot lower, open and close, so we want to keep everything like a lower character, so will be equal. Okay, if the question is exit, okay, if the question is exit dot, let's say something like that, break. Okay, let's break the loop itself. Okay, let's break it. But if it's not, we will do something like this. Okay, history, okay, history, okay, see, it's like we want all the questions that we are going to ask to our chat, okay, to be saved here in history. Okay, so that it can be interactive, so that it can remember the questions that we will keep asking. Okay, so that's why. So history dot append, and let's open and close. So what are going to happen, we are going to append this question here. Okay, this thing. So for that I'm just going to copy this thing, this up to here. I'm going to copy, I'm going to come inside of append and paste. So the role will be user itself, but here in the content, so we don't need to give the question directly like this. Okay, now the question there, we need to give this question here, okay, that we are going to keep asking. So that's why I'm going just to give here question. Okay, so as you can see, okay, step by step we are starting structuring our AI agent. Okay, so that it make more sense. So history dot append, so this will be the question that will keep asking. Okay, so for example, if we enter something, it will ask into the mode, into the chat. Okay, then after that it will save this same question here in our history. Okay, so perfect, so good. Then we'll be having the same thing, okay, but these things, okay, we have to put them also inside of the while loop. So I'm just going to do this. Okay, now everything is inside of while loop. Perfect. So now response will be OpenAI, blah blah blah, everything like this. Okay, model, let's keep this model itself, and then we are going to have something more extra. Okay, so for the message we need to remove this everything from here. So what will be the message? The message will be history itself. Okay, we are going to give history. Okay, because the history is where it will be keep saving, okay, the questions. So that's why we are going to have history as the message. Okay, and then there is one more thing that we can add, okay, which is called temperatures. Okay, so temperature is the one that will, how can I say, so temperature is the one who is going to control, okay, the creativity of our chat. Okay, so how it can perform, how it will give the answer. Okay, what will be the creativity, okay, of our chat. So that is temperature. Okay, so for that let's just give 0.7 will be enough, I think, and save. Okay, So this will be the questions, and this is the creativity of our chat. So after that, okay, we need to do something like this. Okay, so we are going to create one variable called AI response. Okay, so all the response that AI will bring us, so will be equal something like this. Okay, response dot choice, so will be equal this guy. Okay, just let's copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste here. Okay, so this is the response. So after this, after the response, okay, we need to print the response that our AI will give us, okay, the answers. So for that, let's do something like that. Yeah, let's use f string, and do something like this. Okay, /n. Okay, let's say AI. Okay, dot. So this is AI that is going to give us the answer. Okay, so AI, and what is will be, we are going to open and close. Let's give this AI response. Okay, AI response. Boom. So this will be the response for the AI that is AI is going to give us. Okay, perfect. So when we finish this, okay, we need also to save the response that AI is going to give us. Okay, the answer that AI is going to give us. So it's very good to keep those answers so that in the next time AI can know, oh no, if I remember, okay, previous time you asked me something about this, blah blah, something like this. Okay, so this is how you do the things. Okay, you need to save the questions, and also you need to save the answers. Okay, so for that, let's do something like that. Okay, history again. Okay, dot append. Okay, dot append. Now we are going to open and close. Okay, so just let's copy this thing here. Okay, this entire thing, I'm going to copy this thing and I'm going to paste here. Okay, but here something is going to change. Okay, well, since this is the answer that we are going to save, the role will be assistant. Okay, assistant. Okay, and the content will be AI response. Okay, that we want to save AI response. Boom, and I'm going to save this. So now let's run to see if everything is okay or not. Okay, let me keep going on a little up, and I'm going to clear this, clear, and run. Is process. Okay, user. Okay, I will lost something like, okay, where is Angola? So I mean from Angola. Okay, is my country. Okay, where is Angola situated? Where is Angola situated? I think okay. Where Angola is? Oh no, where is Angola? Okay, where is Angola? I'm just going to ask something like this. Okay, where is Angola? Enter. So he is going to process. Let's wait for the answer. So he said, okay, AI answer. Okay, Angola is located in South Africa, blah blah blah, Southern Africa. Okay, bordered by Atlantic Ocean, blah blah. Okay, a lot of answer. Okay, so now he's asking again user. Okay, so now as you can see, now our chat is kind of interactive. Okay, it's not like you just give answer then close itself. No, this way it will keep answering, keep answering again. Okay, it'll keep waiting for you to ask something. Okay, again I can ask. Okay, where is India? Where is India? Where is India? Enter. Boom, I got some error. Okay, so now let's see what is my error. Okay, he said something like okay, what you say, bad request, error message, bad assistant supposed to be system assistant. Oh, I think I wrote something wrong. It's supposed to be assistant. I'm sorry. Okay, see, my main language is Portuguese, so English is kind of second language. So assistant, I think I wrote it bad, so that's why if I come here, I just need to come assistant. Oh, that is my mistake. This is supposed to be A, so I just did copy paste, and I'm going to change this assistant this way. Save. Okay, let's clean this thing, clear, and let's run again. User. Okay, where is Angola? Where is Angola? Where is Angola? I give enter. Is processed that Angola is located in southern blah blah everything. Okay, let's ask again. Where is India? Where is India? India is located in South Asia. It is bordered by several countries to the northwest. Okay, so as you can see, okay, our chat is it will keep asking again and again till we'll enter exit. Okay, because we give the here for exit. Okay, let's give exit now. So if we give exit, enter, boom, now it it close. Okay, so this is how we can start, okay, structuring our AI agent. Okay, so we just give it interactivity. Okay, so the next thing that we can do is to customize, okay, the response. Okay, so in order to customize the response, okay, we just need to do something like that. Okay, for example, we are going to try to adjust the behavior of our chatbot, okay, by doing something like this. See here where we are going to add something inside. Okay, I'm just going to copy this thing. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Okay, and I'll come here inside of history. Okay, I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to paste this guy. Okay, so I'm going to say something like this. Okay, so for all it will be a system. Okay, because system help us to define the behavior of our chat, of our agent. Okay, so I'm going to say system. Okay, so the content will be, so the content is going to define how we want our system to interact or to behave. Okay, so I will say something like that. Okay, you are a sarcastic assistant who responds this is right, who responds okay, who respond with irony dots. Okay, so system help us to define the behavior of our chat. Okay, of our chat. And here in content, as always, is the thing that we want it to do, the way that we can use it to define how we want it to answer the question. Okay, so now let's try to test it. Okay, so I'm going to save and I'm going to run this. So user, okay, let's see what's the meaning of life. Okay, what's the meaning of life? Enter and come a little up. So you say oh, the meaning of life, that's an easy one. Okay, it's obviously to find the perfect advocate, toast, plus every being, blah blah, everything season. Okay, so as you can see, is kind of answer the question in a sarcastic way. Okay, so I can ask again. Okay, what is life? Life. Okay, is that the delightful roller coaster ride filled with existent dreamed? Okay, as we can say. Okay, so system is something that can help us to define the behavior of our chats. Okay, so this way, as I said, we are keeping trying to understand how the things really work. Okay, while creating an AI agent. Okay, what are the things that you need to set up? What are the things that the configuration that you need to give, the commands, the prompts, everything, some things like this. Okay, so another thing that we can do, it can be something like, for example, okay, like when we are giving the answer, also the question. Okay, we can also try to controlling the style and format the way that we want it to give us. Okay, for example, let me close this. Okay, exit. Okay, and let me clear this. Okay, so how we can do that? So the way to do that is the way that we are going to give our prompts. Okay, so it's very important also for you to give a perfect prompt. Okay, for example, let's say something like that. Okay, explain relativity theory in 3 points. Okay, like a pirate. Okay, so while giving your prompts, okay, you need to really write it properly. You need to specify it properly. Okay, so because the correct the best prompts is the thing that can define also sometimes your best answers. Okay, so if I hit enter, let's see, he gave, okay, for example, R, because we know a pirate like this. Okay, R matter mete. Okay, R mete, it be the 3 points on relativity. Okay, fit for swash, blah blah blah, something like this. Okay, time be a sneak C. Okay, time ain't as a straight, blah blah blah, something like this. Okay, so as I said, okay, so it's very important also for you to give a better prompt, okay, when you want some answer from your agent. Okay, so as I said, guys, so this is the way that you can start creating your AI agents, okay, by using Python. Okay, see, this is just a beginning. Okay, so this is for you to understand how you can start creating AI agents. Okay, so this is just a simple AI agent. So the next time, okay, the next video, okay, we are going to keep increasing more complexity. Okay, so we will learn the new stuff. So just wait for the new video. Okay, give a like and see you in the next video. Bye bye.